Welcome to the TIPS training and certification online training. Learn anytime, anywhere. TIPS training on lab quality management system for quality manager. This is module 11, preventive action as per clause 4.12 and IS 17025 2005. Now, preventive action. What is a preventive action? Action to eliminate the cause of a potential non-conformity is called as a preventive action. Opportunities for improvement and potential source for non-conformance. It is a proactive approach to find the opportunities for improvement, and it is not a reaction taken against any complaints or a problem. For example, if a lab is not analyzing the calibration report for the equipment and someone from the lab or during the review of the lab quality management system, it was decided to carry out the analysis of calibration report on regular basis, and then if a laboratory started analysis of a calibration report, then it is a preventive action, because this they are doing it before somebody from outside or during the audit. They are doing it from their own. So this is called as a preventive action. To comply the requirement of preventive action clause, establish a documented procedure for preventive action with defined requirement, and those procedures shall incorporate the following. Number one, determine the potential non-conformities and their causes. Evaluate the need for action to prevent occurrence of non-conformity. Determine and implement preventive action needed. Record result of action taken. Review of a preventive action taken. And it is very mandatory to have a policy and procedure for preventive action, and lab shall define a policy for a preventive action. This is one of the example of a policy for a preventive action mentioned here in the slide. While writing the preventive action procedure, these procedures shall include the following: the scope, responsibility. The responsibility shall be defined while writing the procedure. Who is going to responsible for taking the preventive action, whether the quality manager, technical manager, or chief executive of the lab, or some other person in the lab. The reference shall be given as per IS 17025 2005, and then write down the whole procedure accordingly. And in the last, record shall be mentioned, what record will be there while handling the preventive action. The key point for the preventive action clause is: number one, preventive action should be initiated when potential source of non-conformities have been identified. And non-conformities may be a technical, related to, or management system. The objective is to reduce the likelihood of the occurrence of such potential non-conformities. There should be a procedure to identify the potential source of non-conformities and define preventive action to prevent the occurrence of these non-conformities. The effectiveness of the preventive action should be monitored and evaluated. And this is the form you can fill up while conducting the preventive action activity, in which you can mention the problem or the process you want to improve in the system. Thank you.